Geez, where are we?
We're in the test track.
Whoa, we're gonna drive one of those?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, one of those?
No.
How about one of those?
No.
That one?
No.
Actually, that's a prototype. Yeah, that's what they want to do. See all the components? Right? It all builds that one car right there.
It's too tiny.
We're doing it. We're designing our vehicle. What are we trying to do here?
Supercharged?
No. Plasma printer. What color do you want it? Blue, right? We'll do it. Or might want blue. Flames? There we go. I don't mind.
Change it.
No, nothing. I can try. No, I'm good.
30 seconds.
I'm good. Nope, that's right. I'm fine. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, this is a start.
No, no, continue. Wow, I almost restarted. That's it. Crazy.
Driving technology activated.
Welcome to the TheTimTracker.
Oh boy, here we go.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
Monster.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Here we go.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
All right,
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
here we go. Oh, good. Hey,
Capability test results displayed and verified.
where's first?
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
All right. How are they going to be efficient?
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Paper spectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental
Work hard, it's terrible. Word number.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Here we go.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Let's go. Let's go.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Right there. Yeah. Around the corner. Yeah, everything seems okay. As long as there's no truck on the road, eh? We see a truck, we can be in real trouble. Ah, truck on it!
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Oh, we don't know what we did.
Here comes the final test.
Here we go.
Power test.
The power. Fireworks. We came out of there with a bang. Oh, someone needs to fix the brakes, though. Yes!
Displaying power test results.
Number one!
SIM-track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the SIM-car after the SIM-car. Please watch your step as you exit.
I think the hardest part of this
All your
whole
personal
ride
belongings with you.
is getting out
Be
of
sure to
this.
check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.
No, true. Oh my God. Okay.
So what did you think, hon?
That was awesome.
You liked it?
Yes, and I love your style of your car and speed. That was awesome.
Well, more
Thank you.
from Epcot. Stay tuned.